Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect OPO right here to cTrader. And if you want to do this, we go right here to brokers, then we scroll down to load more, and then we select right here the O. Then right now you see here OPO Finance, and if you click here on open account, he will send us right here to the OPO website. Then right now what we're going to do is we click right here on create account. And now what you need to know is that the most important part starts now. Because right here we need to fill in our first name or second name, and we need to use the same email address that we are using in cTrader. This is the most important part. And if you want to know which email address that is, you go to cTrader, go right in the top, and then this is the email that we are going to use. So make sure that you fill in that email address right here on OPO for yourselves, then your phone number, then we do next. And at step 2, you can select right there if you want to use, you can select cTrader, but you get the option to select the platform type. So you need to fill in right there that you want to use cTrader, then you go further, then you finish your account setup, and then after that you can go right here to cTrader, and then he will automatically sync your OPO account right here in this list. I already did it for IC Markets, FP Markets, FTMO, Fusion Markets, and FX Pro, and then you can find it back right here in this list. So make sure that you're using the same email and select as platform type right here cTrader, and then after that he will automatically put your account right here in cTrader. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.